Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect AWS Cognito to Next.js for secure UX sign-in, beginner guide step-by-step clearly. To connect AWS Cognito to Next.js for secure UX sign-in, start by creating an AWS account if you don't have one. Log in to your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amazon Cognito service. Click on Manage User Pools. Select Create a User Pool. Provide a name for your user pool and click Review Defaults. Now, configure the attributes for your users. You can customize which attributes you require, such as email or phone number. Once done, click on Create Pool. After that, create an app client. In the left sidebar, click on App Clients. Uncheck Generate Client Secret if you plan to use it in a web application. Click on Create App Client. Next, configure your app client settings. Go to App Client Settings under App Clients. Specify the callback and sign-out URLs for your application. Make sure to enable your authentication flow options. Click Save Changes. Now, grab your user pool ID and app client ID. You will need these for your Next.js application. Open your Next.js application in your preferred code editor. Install the AWS SDK by running npm install AWS SDK Amazon Cognito Identity.js. Create a new file for authentication logic. You can name it auth.js. In this file, import the necessary libraries. Set up your Cognito configuration with your user pool ID and app client ID. Implement the signup function. This function should create a new user in Cognito. Use the Cognito user pool class for user pool interactions. Next, implement the sign-in function. This function should authenticate users against the user pool. Use the Cognito user and authentication details classes for this process. Create user sessions by storing the user's authentication state. You can use local storage or session storage for this purpose. Create corresponding API routes in Next.js for sign-up and sign-in requests. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.